Hello everyone, welcome to the GRIP platform. This is an overview as an attendee perspective. GRIP was created to solve the challenges of generating meaningful connections and business opportunities during events. How do we solve this? We have built our own AI matchmaking platform that will make smart recommendations of people to meet, exhibitors to visit, and sessions to attend. Your experience with GRIP begins from your online event platform under the Networking tab by selecting Matchmaking. Or you can access it by clicking on the Network or Exhibitor tile. You will then be redirected to the GRIP Networking section of the platform. Some curated questions on your profile will be helpful to suggest meaningful matches during the event. You will then have the ability to consent to the data sharing policy. Once done, you can start networking. This is the homepage of your event, where you'll see all the networking possibilities. The first thing you should do here when you log in for the first time is go enhance your profile on the right top corner. What you need to do here is update your headline, review your professional category, interests, and update your summary. This will give valuable insight on what you have to offer, so you want to make sure this is updated. Your name and company information will already be imported from OEP. After doing that, this is when our matchmaking AI goes to work and will suggest better, smarter recommendations for you. Next thing you want to do here is manage your availability. To make the most out of your time at the event, you can block off your time when you will not be able to meet with other participants. This way, other participants will only be able to request meetings on the times you are available. Your calendar is set on your time zone based on your device and browser settings. Other users will see their settings under their local time zone. Also, next thing here, manage your notifications. We recommend that you allow all notifications from the GRIP platform for a better user experience during the event. Make sure you get notified when you have a meeting coming up or when someone is interested in meeting you. At any point in time, you will be able to export all your meeting information here below under your profile. Alrighty, so let's go back to the event navigation area over here on the left. Typically at traditional conferences, when visiting booth, you will receive lots of brochures, business cards, etc. What we have done here to streamline that is to provide you with a comprehensive list to manage your networking during the event. Once your profile and availability have been set up and that you are all ready to go, the navigation will be on the left, and this is where you are going to be going forward. So there's different ways to interact and engage in the platform, such as browsing through recommendations of other profiles for you to meet, list of profiles that are interested in you, list of profiles that you are interested in, your profiles that you're not interested in, that you have skipped, your connections made during the event, your schedule, your agenda during this virtual event, some roundtable discussions, and the list of exhibitors and other attendees. So let's begin with recommended for you. So here, smart recommendations are served to you based on the details within your profile and your activity in the platform. You will be served up to 10 recommendations at a time. You will then decide if you want to establish a connection, show interest, or skip over a profile. The more you utilize the recommendation function, the smarter our AI learning will become and will offer you even better recommendations. Here will be the profiles that are actually interested in me. This is the list of the profiles that you are interested in. If any of these profiles reciprocate interest in you, they will then become your connection. By looking at this handshake here, this is how this works. On your skip list, you will have the ability to unskip someone and review who you have skipped. On the connections, you will be able to engage directly with your connections in a chat session that is also available here on the right on the home feed. You will be able to review meetings you already have scheduled with your contacts, or schedule and request a meeting directly from here. So out of the list of recommendations and connections, you should have a good idea of who you would like to actually meet during the event based on your common interests. Group matchmaking makes it easy for you to request meetings by just a click of a button. With the information on your availability, all parties will be able to meet in the time that works for both, or all parties. We can also invite now multiple users at the same time by just simply searching for their names over here and adding them to the list. I can invite up to 10 people at the same time into a maximum virtual room capacity of 50 people. So to make sure that my meeting request gets accepted, my best bet is to personalize a message and put something that's going to be attractive for this person to accept my meeting invitation. Here you will see there is a meeting request limitation. So the reason for that, it's actually we are limiting the pending request meeting so that everyone can have a fair chance and opportunity to schedule meetings with other attendees, and also to give users the best user experience and not feel like they are being spammed. So as soon as I send my meeting invitation, John Doe is going to receive an email notification where my request is going to be sent to him. And here I can see right away, well, they haven't accepted it yet, but this is the meeting status right now. It's going to be on the pending status. So this is how the email will look like. When someone schedules a meeting, they will get an email alert. They can accept it directly from their inbox. And if they do so, it will be added to their Gmail calendar or Outlook or iCalendar. Now let's go to my schedule. This is your event schedule where you will see all the meetings you have requested. Manage and join your meetings when it's time to go. The virtual meeting room will be available 5 minutes before the time. And you can see here the status on those individual meeting requests. Here I'm going to show you how your virtual meeting room will look like once it's time to meet. So you have a private virtual meeting room here embedded directly in the platform, so you don't need to download or create an account with anything. It's ready. You can enable or disable your microphone and camera when joining the room. You can also see other participants who are in the room. You can as well chat with other participants, share your screen, and different desktop applications. Total capacity is 50 people. You can make this full screen as well. And look at the other options here. There we go. Next, if you have the feeling that you haven't met with the people you wanted, even though we are going to serve you the best opportunities and leads, you can still go ahead and search for other attendees. If you want to know if someone is present during the event, you can query for their company name, job title, and industry. You can filter by status as well, by location, by company name, job title, and also simply do a search over here in this free-form field for any keywords, names, whatnot here, and engage right away from this point. The same process can be done also when looking up an exhibitor company using the same filters. And when this is, if I look up a company, I will be able to see all the details, look up all the different exhibitor representatives present during the event, engage with them as well, look into a session that they are speaking into, and also schedule a meeting with that exhibitor company. So if I show interest to any exhibitor profile, what's going to happen is that it's going to notify them, and they will also be able to engage with me that way. All right, so we've covered everything here. So back to the home feed. So the powerful things here is that Grip AI will curate a list of relevant connections so you can get straight to the point and network directly with people who share similar professional interests in meeting you. You will achieve better time management efficiency by managing your calendar during the event. Once again, thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful to demonstrate the value Grip platform can provide to your event.